I'm going to share with you a journey of me living a life being unstoppable. You know, I'm a wife, I'm a mother, we're on the keto diet together. I'm a fitness fanatic, which is how I have met one of my great friends in the room here today in the gym. But I'm at many other things. I'm a passionate networker and a connector of people. I became a manager by 14 and an executive at 24. You know, so before I talk about the journey and, you know, living this unstoppable, no excuses life, you know, I think you need to start with why. So you need to understand a bit about my why. I was born to a drug-addicted teenager, Julie. I was determined to be better than the biology I was born into and the circumstances I experienced. "30 years in the workforce, 20 of which are now at an executive level. Many times I'm asked, oh, well, like, what do you attribute your success to? 3 things, other than some of the ones that I've just shared with you. It's about performance, boundaries, and brand. So when it comes to performance, you know, what I'm gonna say, and many people are like, well, do you think, more so even in the last few years, do you think that being a woman's helped you get your seat at the table? Maybe. You know, but what I'm gonna say is, you know, have those things helped me along the journey? Sure. Might have helped me get the seat at the table, but I've earned the right to stay at that table. Again, when there is conviction, there's capacity. But there are only a few ways to get it all done. It's not easy. It's not easy. But if it doesn't challenge you, the growth won't come. So thank you for having me here tonight.